I thought it was going to be a cigar case.
This is how cool we are. We got gold wrenches.
Not only wrenches, they're mastercraft.
And look at that, ratcheting too. Hey, skeet skeet.
Yep.
So, what are we doing here? Is this like typical MuddinForPart number fashion, where we're installing parts or fixing shit the night before a ride?
Yeah. This is what happens when they don't.
I'm supposed to be at home getting a piece, and this is where I am.
So when they don't give you a part number, and people say, "Oh no, it's out of stock."
Yep.
It is welded with. I'll thank Spencer for this one.
That's beauty.
Spencer. It was a gas welder.
Yep.
No gas, and I'm pretty sure it was flux core wire.
It didn't look like flux core or gas.
Yeah, I'll tell you one thing.
Well, hey, if she works,
I'll take credit for it because I did it. But like, I don't weld like that. Right?
No.
You got to make what you can do, right?
Yeah. Hey.
Larry, don't you build trailers?
Yeah.
You use what you have.
Exactly. So we got one out.
And
Number two.
Number two is not
Moving so much.
so we got the flaming hacksaw on her.
We're not giving up.
You know, just remember, boys, heat is love. Heat is love.
And
I guess I should turn the light on, eh? Probably helps. There we go. I mean, it's a Sony. Low light is it, like, that's where it shines. So, what do you say we flash to when we actually get a stud out?
How does Sony do to heat?
I don't know. Don't want to find out.
This is how my temper is right now.
All right, boys, we're gonna skip to when we get a stud out. See you there.
It's snapping.
I think it's snapping, but if it does, then we'll drill it. Now we just have a tempered piece of steel that we drill. And we have to drill through. That's a slow, painful watch right there. I think it's snapping.
I think so too.
I think we weakened it. Yeah. There she goes.
Yep, get the drill out.
Snapped her off. Well, you got two to drill now.
We're gonna spend less time just drilling that bitch than we are fighting it.
What? Oh.
What?
My drills aren't bad. My drill bits, that's right. That's easy to get to.
Okay, we're gonna weld this last one too.
Yeah. Well, you.
Let's weld this.
Let me get everything else together here.
Yeah.
You want
Look at
to
this.
drill bits, right?
Look at this welder setup. Snap-on welder and all. Nothing but the best. So what's next? We just pull the engine, put a big bore kit in it?
We'll put a Can-Am engine in it.
Put a Can-Am.
Can-Am in here.
Hey, is that the secret to make a Can-Am reliable?
Grab
Stick
a
it.
Can-Am engine in a Honda or in a Yamaha.
Stick it in a Yamaha frame. Look at this. Look at the clearance that the Grizzly has around the rim. He's never had a rock problem.
Hey, have you ever been electrocuted?
No, I haven't. Not today, at least. So what are we doing here, Jake?
We're welding a nut to the remaining piece of the stud.
Okay.
End goal, get the stud out.
That's why you always keep stuff in your truck. What do we have here? Look at that. Those are the big guys. There's the little ones. Where are they? There they are. Look at that. High speed drill bits. Sorry, forgot you can't focus right close. I have size of those guys. You got 3/16.
There, Larry, brand new 1/8.
See? Hey, what are friends for?
All the right tools.
High speed steel.
Beautiful. Is it supposed to be like that?
Yeah.
It comes like that?
Yeah.
Why have I never seen
Tempered tip.
that? Oh, tempered tip.
It's hard as
All right.
Now I gotta edit that out. I get so annoyed every time I swear on camera because I think to myself, I'm like, damn it, I gotta edit that
And
out.
how are you gonna catch it when you're editing?
Oh my goodness.
Is this gonna make life easy, Larry?
I don't know how else to explain how good this drill bit is. Look at that.
It's almost as good as that.
Jeez. You know, I asked the guy, I told him, I said, I want good drill bits. I'm not messing around. I want like a 10-pack of good drill bits. And he goes, oh, okay, take these.
I don't know. I just want to make sure it's kind of going
But
straight.
the problem is they're studs, so they're probably based out right to the end of the hole.
I'll know when I hit aluminum. If it's going through steel that easy, I'll know when I hit aluminum. And hopefully it's not in the piston.
No. People kill for lightweight pistons. Come on.
Be more aerodynamic, right?
Oh, lighter rotating mass. Snappier engine.
Oh, that's just what we need. Send her home, Larry.
That's true.
Excellent. Now ream a big one through, buddy.
I have a 3/16 there that are brand new too.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's drilling nice.
That's true. That's all aluminum now.
Yep.
Props to these. Where'd you get these?
Smith Industrial.
Import?
Yeah. You know, that tube, $14 for 10. So
That is impressive.
the price isn't bad either.
That's impressive.
Yeah. Like $14 to me, if it saves me a minute or two every hole that I need to drill,
Yep.
it's a no-brainer.
Actually, Larry, I
What?
might have my thunder bits in the truck too.
Oh yeah?
I forgot about that.
You're gonna have to edit this out, but I was just thinking, what did you say the price was?
$14.
For like 15 drill bits, Brian,
Yeah.
try $400.
Yeah. No, I was $14 for those little tubes.
But the lifetime warranty on every bit. It gets dull, hand it back.
Yeah. But at $14, you just McDonald's the shit out of that.
But thunder bit,
Yeah.
1/4-inch stainless plate.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, I'm sure-
didn't even slow it down.
yeah,
It was
yeah.
right there.
But you want to save your good drill bits for stuff like that, right?
Okay, let's try and tap it.
Okay.
Might as well.
Delaying the whole showing me how to drill a crooked head.
You got, where's that penetrating all bud?
Took me a second.
I'm
I'm
assuming.
gonna shoot it from here.
Excellent.
I got good aim.
I was gonna say, there better not still be steel in this hole.
I'm loving the tunes in here today, Larry.
I don't know, I think there might still be some steel left in that hole, but.
It might be crooked. That might be the problem too.
Yeah.
Peace and quiet. Birds
Yep.
are chirping. The rain has stopped. What a beautiful day for a grizzly.
Yep.
To come alive. Come out of the woods.
Hey,
What a hide.
winter's over.
It's in hibernation. That's
Yeah.
the whole thing.
Yeah.
The grizzly's coming out of hibernation.
Been too
They're
cold.
just cranky. They get grumpy. They
Yeah.
get frustrated and pissed off. They don't want to deal with you.
An air blower?
Yeah, I do. If it's not locked in my toolbox,
He locks it,
Own any of your own tools?
they're all at my house.
but you work here.
I know. I know. I literally bought it.
So like what you tap.
Bottoming tap. We should in your dad's
What's a what?
a bottoming tap.
What's a bottoming tap?
One that cuts threads right to the bottom of the hole. This is a starting tap.
What size is it?
5/16 by 18. See, this is the difference between a bottoming tap and a cutting tap.
Okay.
So that's a starting tap. It's tapered.
Yep.
This is a start. But right now, because this is a starting tap, we only have threads, really 1/4 inch solid threads.
Yes.
The bottom section of threads, the bottom 1/4 inch,
Yep.
is only half threads, right?
Yep.
So right now, a 5/16 bolt's only going to go in 1/4 inch.
Yep. And the threads that you have established in a short hole like that aren't going to be hardy enough to hold on to anything. See? Welcome to the learning channel.
It's like the Discovery Channel competitor.
So, we don't have a bottoming out tool.
Bottoming tap.
Bottoming tap. So we're going to make our own. Larry's going to shoot some sparks.
Hey, Larry?
Yeah.
Just do not cut all the paper off. Well, 3/4 of it, that's it.
Gotcha.
Where's your easy button?
A little crooked.
Don't tell Jake.
Safety first.
Safety first. Hey, you're like me. I wear safety glasses for everything. That's beauty. You can be a tool maker. Well,
How's this?
see if she works.
That's suffice.
Fucking try it.
I hope so.
That's a whole lot of
last
confidence, eh?
That's the last one we got.
Wee bit of love on her.
You
Ooh.
didn't just break that, did you?
No, I didn't.
Jesus.
I broke one.
He said it with such confidence. Well, they are only $14 drill bits.
How deep is it? Hey, Larry. How bad is it? Like, how deep? It's in there? Okay.
Try magnet.
It literally, it just caught, so it might,
Try magnet.
you could spin this out.
We'll get the big drill bit in there. Fish the drill it out big to that. Worst case scenario, you're in there, right? You're half an inch in.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario, we just tap a couple threads in, short bolt. Don't crank that one hole really tight.
Loctite. Red Loctite.
Red Loctite.
And silicone.
Silicone.
Okay.
Silicone.
I'm gonna hand you the next drill bit. Don't break this
You
one.
realize I'm gonna break this one, right?
If he breaks this one, I'm going home.
Brian, you're up.
Oh, jeez.
That way I don't break it, make it stay. Hi, Brian.
We got some big news, don't we, Larry?
I guess so. Kind of like a little bit excited.
Yeah.
Just not showing it.
Okay.
This is my unimpressed, happy face.
Yeah. Should we just go take a look?
Yeah, oh yeah, let's go
I
have
think
a
we
look.
should just go take a look. We got 3 of them tapped.
No, 2 tapped.
2 tap.
1 OE.
Oh.
Yeah, the bottom, or this one
Okay.
here. That one here, actually, the stud came out.
Yep.
These 2 are tapped. That
Yep.
one and this one. And that one, we're just gonna pretend it's there.
Oh, yeah. Let's not talk about that one.
And guess what?
Yep.
That was easy.
You know what we should find? A rescue bit.
A what?
A rescue bit.
Look at that.
They
Easy
blow,
button.
Broken drill bits, taps, everything in the holes.
Really?
Oh, pizza's! Pizza's here!
You can tell by the dirty rotten muffler. Pizza!
He's at the house.
Down here, buddy. Down here.
So everything's drilled, tapped, good to go. We're gonna get the exhaust back on, the half welded exhaust. And she might live for another day.
Grizzly's gonna be great again.
The Grizzly will be great again. And in the meantime, we're gonna enjoy some dirty pizza.
Hold on. Before you cut scene,
Yep.
get this guy pulling up and tell me how good this motor sounds, okay? This is classic Dodge minivan right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Dodge minivan. Oh,
This is classic.
Listen to this thing idle. This is great.
did you send him to the other truck?
Yeah. I was like, how much is it? He's like, oh, I'll just drive down. I was like, all right, even better.
What a beauty, Larry. Walk.
Honda.
I don't walk. Oh, that sounds healthy.
Larry loves it.
Pizza time. So what are we doing now, Larry?
I'm gonna put this on there.
Yep.
I'm gonna hide the weld for one more time because I don't really like it, but
Yep.
cleaned up the ends here. I'm gonna put some silicone on it.
Yep.
Put 3 of 4 bolts in because they so we're gonna get to that.
So we won't hear her running tonight because we got to wait for the silicone to dry.
Yes.
But stay tuned for the next video where we're going to see the Grizzly.
It'll all be one. Two little pieces together.
Yeah, you want it? Okay.
You could do a quick snippet of like Grizzly issues.
Grizzly.
Problems.
I like it. So let's do this.
Build up.
End of the video. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks for checking us out. Hopefully you learned something.
Yep. I don't have my shirt on tonight, so I can't really do the whole.
No, but you know,
part numbers.
MuddinForPart numbers. Check us out. Like, subscribe, share.
Got another part number for you.
What's that?
TBK 137. Spark plug boot.
Spark plug boot. Well, hey, we'll add that to the list at the end of the video here.
Yeah. They're
So-
all the same. Big Bear, Grizzly,
Yep.
98, 2000, whatever.
Just mint.
Works out good. So
So anyway, we'll yeah. You know what? That's what we'll do. We'll flash it tomorrow, showing the Grizzly rocking.
Yep.
And thanks for watching, boys.
Cheers.
Cheers. She's running good, eh?
The petcock's just a little bit on.
Yep.
Just a little bit. She almost died. I was like, okay, a little bit more. I just gotta wait with the
Talk about carb tuning, eh?